Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the app is current and your connection is stable. This prevents sync errors. Once done, open Snapchat and log in. Next, tap your profile icon, then the gear settings. Navigate directly to Manage or Customize Emojis. Locations vary by build. You do this because emojis are tied to a settings toggle, not each chat. So access the central emoji controls now and prepare to change or remove specific friend emoji assignments. You now edit the emoji rules that map to friend behaviors. Tap the category you want, for example, Best Friends, BFF, or Snapstreak, and choose a new symbol or select the option to reset that category. If you set a custom emoji, long press entries to clear assignments. Make sure to confirm each change. Snapchat sometimes applies edits instantly, but you may need to force close the app and reopen it to see updates. This is why a quick restart can be helpful. Finish by reviewing your friend list to verify emoji removal. Scan a few profiles to confirm the new mapping. If some emojis still appear, clear cache from settings, right arrow account actions, then restart the app. That usually forces the changes. If problems persist, log out and back in or reinstall Snapchat. This resets local data. And if you encounter account-level glitches, contact Snapchat support from the Help menu. One key tip: clearing cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.